Steady are the eyes, seas from above. Steady are the hands, built the universe. Hey everybody, Wade McNutt here. Piano Meditation Worship Tutorials, pianomeditation.com. Our song today is called Steady. This is one of my original songs off the album I just released, and there's a lot of cool piano stuff on it, so I wanted to teach you this song to help kind of build your skills up. So if you don't have any yet, I am going to use the cheat sheets. So if you don't have those, you can click on the link. It says email list. You can get some cheat sheets. And the very last page in there, you want to print off and write these things down here. And what you're going to see on here, on the left side, is kind of one way I move through these chords, and then on the right side, just kind of heading down, is another way I move through these chords. So we'll show you in this song how you do that. If you need to hear the song, of course, you can look in the link below. I have all kinds of cool resources for you. A lead sheet with notation, have a chord and lyric sheet, all of that. So click on that link below to find all that stuff. It'll take you over to my website. All free. Everything's free. So you can jump and go get that stuff. All right, so let's jump into this. At the beginning of the song, so I'll be using what's on the left side of those cheat sheets. And if you're not familiar with the song, go take a listen to it on Spotify or any place online where you can find music. So get your hands right here. And when I go down to the B, doing this thing here where you see worship players, you kind of play lazy, but it's a sound. It's a cool sound. When we go to our B. All right. So this lesson is going to be packed full of a lot of really high value piano lesson tricks and whatnot. So get these under your hands. C sharp minor. C sharp's in the bass. You can put this there if you want to. This is for the B. And then when we go to A, and I'll show you what to do with these to take them really to the next level. Some small tricks will really go a long way. And then our E chord. And on the E chord, you can put in this note. All right, so how do you take these simple chords like this and make them sound like this? Right? That's a whole nother world. Well, there's a few little things I was doing here, and I'll break it down for you. One, this little, I didn't play the chord just straight together. I rolled that. And so I do a roll in the right hand, and then I end up rolling in the left hand slower. So as I hit this first note, and then I roll up, and you can do, this is more advanced stuff, so depending on how far you want to go, but you can hit other notes as you go up. So if I go to this one and you use the sustain pedal, listen how nice that sounds. All right. So if we go down then to the next chord, which is here. So what I'm going to do is I'll hit these three first. These fingers, and see how nice it is here in the left hand. Ba, ba, ba. So you're breaking things up, doing a quick roll and a slow roll, and then down to the A. Again, that little roll trick. And moving around the notes in your right hand is going to be huge too. You can even go down to here too if you want to go. And then you land at the first part of the song. So that's how the intro part would feel. So now on the right hand side of the page, we got kind of a different way of going about the chords. So we play E here. It looks like an E chord, but we're going to play the C sharp and the bass. This is for our C sharp minor 7. This is a fancier way to play chords, breaking it up into kind of 2 parts. But it's going to sound nice, so do it. So when you move to the B chord, what I want you to do is just keep these 2 here, but cross this pointer finger over. It's going to create a really cool dissonance. We jump down to the A, like this, and then to the E. So you're still going to use this rolling. You can go ba. And then down to the E. So here's what it'll be like in the verses. I've been the foolish one that built his house on sand. Been the prodigal that took his things and ran. I've been one of... Now right here, if you'll just stay on these 2, but move your bass on the G sharp minor, it's going to create that flat 6 by playing what the B was, but we're just changing our bass note. One of the sheep that wandered endlessly. And a lot through the verse, I'm just kind of not doing the quick roll. I'm just hitting and holding. You'll have a little bit of movement there. But all stuff that you can use, put in your bag to start sounding better as you're playing chords and more full. Your constant love lost is where I would be. Into the chorus. So now we're going to play what we did for the intro. We're going to play it lower. It's going to give it a fuller sound. All right? 'Cause steady are the eyes, the sea is from the cross. Steady are the hands. All right? And again, I'm still kind of just hitting together and then rolling up. Okay, cool little way to work through the chorus. Steady is the heart that bled for all the world. Steady is your love. Cool. During the bridge, do this cool little thing here. We are on B, E, and this D sharp. And on the A, you might do this A, E, B, holding out the pedal. You are my anchor. So you'll move in the bass to this B, but keep doing this. Then to a G in the bass, you can play this here. You are my rock. Sometimes I like to go up right there. You are my stronghold. You are my God. Steady are the eyes. You can play the chorus up high, and that'll give you like a softer, more worshipful feel. The sea is from the cross. Okay, cool little tricks there. Now at the end of the song, you can do. I play the melody, so it'll feel like this. So it's a neat little way. You're kind of playing this note over and over again, but you're playing the melody. Steady are the eyes that see us from the... And then jump to the A position. Or you can just go cross. And then steady are there's no words there, but I'm just singing it to kind of keep you in place. And then the third time through, you go. Steady is your love. And you end on that G sharp. All right, guys, God bless y'all. If you had a good lesson, learned some stuff today, make sure and pick up all the free resources from that by clicking on the link below. You'll find the link over to that. You can find all the good stuff Wade McNutt here, piano meditation worship tutorials. WadeMcNutt.com is where you can find a lot of things. PianoMeditation.com for a lot of the lessons. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.